Today's project is pretty simple. This is a subsoil point. High carbon steel, meant to hit rocks, take punishment like that and hold up. So I got half of one of these and I'm going to fold it a couple times, turn into a 4-layer billet, start of the third and final billet. Then I'm going to combine the three I got, turn into something cool. So let's get started. Four layers, nothing special, except that it is the start of the third and final billet before I start making something cool and hopefully this time get it right. So okay, it's been fun. I will see you on the other side of the week. Stay well, be good. Well, look at you. Oh yeah, no, I'm not your mama. I'm not your mama. But I'm going to have my archery stacks back pretty soon, huh? Yeah? Yep. Okay. Sorry. Wait for mama.